Hey, what's going on everyone? An unofficial render and some leaks has been surfaced online for the Xiaomi Mi 11 device. So in this video we'll be talking about the expected specifications of Xiaomi Mi 11. So stay tuned and keep watching. My name is Sovik. Welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Firstly, I thank all of you for the 100 subs on our channel. Before I start the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notifications about our upcoming videos. Now let's move to our today's topic. There have been reports of Xiaomi Mi 11 device turning up in some unofficial renders, and at the first glance you could be forgiven for believing they are the real deal. However, such leaks about a flagship smartphone like Mi 11 need to be investigated further, and in this case, doing so reveals that these images are likely fan-made renders. Confusingly, one publication in English uses an image of Xiaomi Mi 10 as a part of its report without making it clear what device it is. So it is best to take the following with a pinch of salt. Some of the renders, which actually first turn up in Chinese publications in mid-June, show a potential Xiaomi Mi 11 with an impressive unblemished display, which apparently 96% to 97% screen to body ratio, as it is implied here that Xiaomi is ready to introduce under-screen selfie cameras with the next Mi generation. Along with that potentially incredible change, the Mi 11 in these renders has a rectangular main camera setup featuring 4 lenses, which have been stated as a 192 megapixel main sensor, 40 megapixel zoom lens, 21 megapixel ultra wide angle and 8 megapixel macro shots. The alleged astonishing Xiaomi Mi 11 specs continue with the cutting-edge Snapdragon 875 5G SoC and of course a 144Hz refresh rate for the display. If those details are not enough, then how about a 6.9-inch screen that can operate with a 3K resolution? With a 32 megapixel selfie camera which is under the front screen if you remember, then you would think maybe Xiaomi will skimp on the memory and storage here. Well, if you consider supposedly 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage as skimping, then you would be correct. Surprisingly, the mind-blowing specifications of this super-sounding Mi 11 continue with the battery and charging details. Not only does this upcoming dream device contain a 5500 mAh battery, but it can also be rapidly charged at 100 watt plugged in, 40 watt wirelessly and 10 watt in reverse charging situation. There are two things to take away from all these rumors and speculations about Xiaomi Mi 11. Firstly, no official source is stated, so it's most likely an expression of fan desire. Secondly, if Xiaomi do produce a Mi 11 with all these tech goodies, then expect it to be priced at a level that rubs shoulders with Samsung Galaxy and Apple iPhone flagships. So that is all the information we have got about the Xiaomi Mi 11 so far. Please let me know your thoughts about Xiaomi Mi 11 in the comment section below. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button and please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. So see you guys in the next video. Peace out.